Today we're gonna talk about the espresso machine parts and what we need to know. So first of all, brushing up on your espresso equipment lingo, the equipment you use in the daily operation of your espresso business is an integral part of your trade. Understanding how they work together is as important as knowing how to use them. Some seasoned professionals may want to skip this bit of fundamental terminology, but we are always able to learn new things. So maybe, just maybe, there is something here for those readers to discover. Number one is group head. This is where all the magic takes place, sometimes referred to as the brew group or brew head. This component is more commonly known simply as the group. This is where you insert the portafilter where when preparing to brew espresso. Number two is the portafilter. This is the device coffee is ground into before being placed in the group to brew espresso. The name is easy to remember as long as you think of it as a portable filter, hence portafilter. It's also known as a filter handle, and that thingy you put the coffee into. Portafilter spring. The spring holds the basket in place. It is held in the portafilter by clipping into a groove that is milled into the inner surface of the portafilter body. Some are round in profile and circumference, but most are bent into a hexagon shape with one open end. Another is portafilter basket. The portafilter basket is the filter screen located in the portafilter. These come in both double and single size and are held in place by a spring. Another one is group gasket. The group gasket is a large rubber O-ring that seals the portafilter and portafilter basket to the group. It is inserted into a group that is built into the group. If the portafilter is leaking, the group gasket is usually the part you need to replace. Often the portafilter basket and group gasket should be changed together too. Another one is group screen. The group screen is also located in the group. It is sometimes referred to as a dispensation screen, shower screen, or shower. Another is group dispense switch. This switch acts much the same as the dosing keypads, but it is usually a simple on-off switch located over the top of the group. It actuates some automatic espresso machine also include a dispense button as an additional means of operation. Another one is group dosing keypad. Dosing keypad are found on automatic and superiority espresso machines. They are the buttons you press to activate the group heads on the machine. The keypads show a legend of various dispense times and quantities, as well as programming and continuous flow. Another one is hot water tap. Some call this the Americano wand or tap, but it's simply a hot water tap. Call it what you like. This is where you dispense hot water. Power switch. The power switch on most espresso equipment is located on the backsplash of the machine. It is often indicated by a faceplate showing the numbers 1, 0, 2. The general position for full operation is the position 2. Pressure gauge. The pressure gauge is located on the front of the machine. It usually has two needles indicating both boiler pressure and pump operating pressure. This is an important part to be aware of as it monitors the health of your machine as well as the parameters of your espresso brewing temperature and pressures. Another one is sight glass. Most machines have a sight glass. This part is located on the front of the machine and indicates the boiler's water level. It is typically a glass tube with water inside. It is marked with maximum and minimum indicators. Another one is steam one. This is the tool used to steam milk. The steam wand is also known as a steam pipe, and it is activated by the steam valve, knob, or lever. Another one is steam tip, steam wand tip. The steam tip is located on the end of the steam wand. It disperses the steam from the uh, wand into a split pattern, allowing you to steam milk. Uh, Grinders also have a few specific names that should be part of your equipment vocabulary. Mm, Adjustment ring or knob. This grinder or component allows you to make changes to the grind size with reference to codes or find. The adjustment ring or knob is usually found around the bean hooper. This is the large, clear, and typically plastic container on top of the grinder. These are available glass options as well. The hooper holds your espresso beans and feeds the bean into your grinder bars. Dozer. The dozer holds the ground coffee for dosing into the portafilter. Brews or dosing into the portafilter. Espresso grinder brews are two round circular pieces that sit parallel to each other. One piece of the two rotates while the coffee is fed through the machine. The coffee beans are crushed between the two to your ideal size for brewing. There are two different type of grinder brews: flat grinder brews and conical grinder brews. Both conical and flat are consistent in their grind size. However, conical brews have longer cutting phase that can lead to lower temperature and less variance over time. Also, there is less heat build up, which can lead to more consistent shots in busier environment. This often can become dull over time through constant use. It is recommended for your regular maintenance. There you have it, a crash course in espresso equipment lingo. Try to use the terminology in every espresso reference you'll make, and you will have it memorized in no time. With this element description definition, you will be better equipped to operate your espresso making tools in a professional manner. Not only will you be more knowledgeable about any possible